Okay, I'm new at this. I clearly suck. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I was thinking about all the million things that we do on a daily basis, things that go unnoticed because they just happen. They just get done. Someone does them, and in my house, it's usually me. I made a list of all of those million little things that I do. Outside of the normal cleaning, cooking, grocery shopping, meal planning, I'm constantly doing all the other things. Refilling soap dispensers, making sure all the pets have food, putting wax in my wax warmer, all the million things that happen sort of behind the scenes that nobody actually sees you do, but are things that get done. So if someone needs a paper towel, there's a paper towel on the paper towel holder. And then there's a few extra things like stamping your toilet paper. Thank you, Ashley, from Till Vacuum Do Us Part. So let's get started.
What it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy, it's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish, you get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you, I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over. Yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over.
Back up. Back up. You gotta move so I can get it. Move. Move. I see it. Do you see it? Do you see it?
And tell that man bye bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Oh, bye bye, bye bye. That's how you spell goodbye. U-D-L-I. You'll never see me cry. U-D-L-I. That's how you spell it. Bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing